Welcome back to Hardware Hangout. This morning we are taking care of cows. Since this is my first time soloing a cow morning, I decided to bring you along with me. So let's get a little muddy and get to it. All good? Be free. Moo. And our bread. Let's do one more. All right, first step here. Cows are hungry. We gotta distract them with some bread. Got half. All right. Moo. Come on, hungry boys and girls. Come on. Come on. Want some bread? Come on. Come on. Come on. So we're gonna find a spot that isn't all muddy. It rained a lot yesterday, so try to bring them down over here. Maybe down a little bit farther. All right, and then we just chuck it. Now, make our way back up and get the small ones into their stalls. Come on.
And we all have that thing that we don't feel
Meow. Come on. Come on. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Looks like both of them just chilling. Let's check on our other little calves. Come on. Come on. Ugh. Angry kitty. Where's your sister? Or brother? Where'd you go? Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Go. 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 Now, these guys are all eating. Yeah. Yeah, eat your bread. All right. Let's go feed the big bastards. Hey, Big Petey. Here you go, big boy. Hey, man. Who's a good girl, boy? Don't even know. Okay, you guys ready? Ready to go? Come on. Come on out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on out. Come on. Mush, mush, mush. Your turn. You ready? Set, go. Oh, go, go, go. Good boys and girls. Good boys and girls. Now, stock up for tonight. 1, 2, 3. And now we are set for tonight. Open, 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 open. And close this one. That's set. Lock down. Now time for the big boys. Not you, Petey. Back to bread. Alright, got their bread.
And that's it.